My sister went to Japan for work. She worked there for 5 years and she learned some Japanese language. And they are using that language during her work time. And she told me that learning Japanese was not easy. It's hard to learn because there's so many things to be considered. And I think there are different kinds of languages they are using too, not just one. Like what we have in the Philippines, we have different kinds of dialects. But our national language is Tagalog. It's Filipino. So Tagalog is our national language. But other than that, we have so many we have so many different languages or dialects. Yeah, we're speaking different languages in every provinces. Tagalog. This mega love shout out to our 26 live viewers and 5 likers. Hi Brian. Yeah, anything I can say? Wow, good for you, Brian Day. Hi Lisa Martinez. Mega love shout out to you, Lisa. I think I remember you. You're in our live before, right, Lisa? Thank you for coming back. We're here again, Ottawa.
We're back.
Yeah, we're back. We're done with our vacation. Yeah. Thanks God for the blessings. Get to have to spend our holidays, Christmas and New Year in the Philippines. Grabe na naman. Nag-snow na naman. Yung kaunting oras ng pag-snow, ganito yung natambak. Ay. Tingnan mo yung mga puno, oh. Yung mga puno. Look at the trees. It seems like they have white leaves.
Not too cold today, but it's snowing.
It's snowing. It's not cold compared this morning. Tapos na ang ko.
Tapos na ang parang pasko dito. Hello.
Hello. Snowing again.
At least nagwawas na ng daan, no? Pagihan.
Ay. Nandiyan na yung school bus. At least may espasyo ka dyan. Paunahan ng paunahan mag-park. So makakuha ka ng parking space. Ay, salamat sa kaguranan. Oh, naging tina yung pine tree. Naging puti na. I have to go. This pati ito, naging na-parkingan na ito. Salamat tayo. Ang sakit sa mata, puro puti. It's all white. Puro puti. Nakaka-blind ang puti. Ano na may sled. O, tamang-tama dito, oh.
Tama-tama.
Hindi rin maingay. Salamat tayo. Sayang na mga garden nila, oh, natatabunan. Ay. We're here. It's 2:22 in the afternoon. And the kids